Good morning, everyone. Good morning, lovely boy. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are fine. What about you? Perfect. So we have Molly, Sweet and Sevi join. Mr. Rishabh is joining with us. Excellent. So he's here with us. Good morning. Good
Hi
morning, Mr.
Rahul.
Tandon. How are you? Good morning. How are you?
Namaste and a very good morning. I am doing fine. How are you?
All well, all well. Great to see you.
Likewise, Rahul.
Yeah, great. So we have the participants with us. Miss
Super.
Amrit Vadwani, we have class issue joined. Hello, everyone. Good morning. How are you all? Am I audible now? Is it Dinesh Negi also joined? Hi, Dinesh. How are you? Is it Rishabh? Is it audible? Rishabh? Shruti has also joined. Hi, Shruti. Excellent. We have Jaskaran Gujal, Asiya Shah, Chef Ankit also joined with us. Uh, Okay, there are some technical errors. Mr. Tandon will join soon. In the meantime, I would like to welcome all of you. Great to see all of you, young participants with us. We have a great motivational speaker with us, Mr. Rishabh Tandon, person with a lot of passion. So he'll be joining soon. Mr. Tandon will be joining soon. Yes, he's here.
Hi.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry,
Great.
I was trying to put the phone on DND, but I think once you put it on DND, this goes off. So
This is the
apologize.
art of technology.
True. Indeed. Yeah.
Of course. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to welcome Mr. Rishabh Tandon, Area Director, Human Resource with North India for Intercontinental Hotels Group. Is it? We both are audible, and is it
I
clear?
hope so. Yeah, I think you are audible at least to me.
Oh, great. I'm sure with the participants also now.
True.
So Molly is also saying hello, sir.
Hi, Molly.
So, just to introduce our guest speaker today, he's driving a people strategy for 11 IHG hotels across North India, and he has, he received multiple accolades for his leadership, including the Forbes India to Top 100 People Manager 2019, Best Hospitality Personality Award, and HR Team of the Year. So, kudos to you.
Thanks, Rahul. I think God has been kind, in
Yes,
helping all of us.
it is all your passion which take this forward.
True.
Good morning, Pankaj. Simi Chawla is also. Good morning, Simi. How are you? Of course, Himalayan is also here. Well,
Super.
Rishabh, let's take our talk to a new level now.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm sure most of us sitting at home and bit confused what to do because of this pandemic, and a lot of curiosity in young mind that how do you see this pandemic situation as an opportunity or a challenge for hospital aspirants?
So, Rahul, a very tough question, I would say, especially in the current times. I would see as both, as an opportunity first and then as a challenge. And obviously, when I will talk on challenge, how to combat that challenge. As an opportunity, especially for students, who are yet to start their career or who are about to enter the industry, I would surely see it as an opportunity, and I'll tell you the reason why. While it is very natural to have thoughts like, how will I get my first job? Last year I passed out, there are no jobs in the market. But my only humble request to all the students or who are preparing currently for hospitality, see it as a long-term vision, not a short-term
Yes.
vision.
Yes.
Opportunity, why? Because you are getting that additional time to self-prepare yourself, both in terms of skills and in terms of knowledge, and maximum in terms of digitalization.
Yes.
So if I am a student and if I am a culinary student, right, I know that there are no jobs currently, right, or there are very limited opportunities within the hospitality market in India. But I know for a fact that things will improve. It will
Yes.
take time, but it will improve. But in the next 3 months or in the next 4 months, can I improve my skills on social media? Can I improve my presentation skills? Can I make myself adaptable? How to attend calls on Zooms, on Insta Live, on these various MS Teams and related forums, right? So this is one part of it. you know we Whether we accept it or not, we have to be camera savvy. I may be the best skilled personnel in culinary, but if I'm not a camera friendly or a camera savvy, हम सभी लोगों ने ऐसे अपने गुरुज को देखा है इन द
हाँ जी.
लास्ट 15-20 years, जो एक्सपर्ट थे किचन में, और इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्किल दे वर एक्सपर्ट, but still they couldn't make it to that level purely
Yes.
because of communication, or purely they were very shy when it comes to facing the media, facing the camera, so they choose to remain at that level. I think this new pandemic era is teaching us you have no option but to improve your communication, but to become camera savvy. You build up your confidence level to that next level, and also skill building. So I would take you back 10 years back. We all हम सब लोग YouTube पे देखते थे कि ये इंटरनेशनल शेफ्स है, ये उसका चैनल है, ये उसका पेज है, ये उसका सीरियल आ रहा है, हेल्थ किचन, ABC किचन. अभी आई थिंक नाउ इज द टाइम. उस टाइम पे समय नहीं मिलता था कि हम कॉलेज में पहले थ्योरी करें, फिर प्रैक्टिकल अटेंड करें, फिर एग्जाम दें. अभी तो टाइम ही टाइम है. लेट मी फिनिश दोज वेब सीरीज, लेट मी फिनिश दोज important videos that I wanted to see. Let me experiment with those dishes which are being prepared, which are being prepared by the best of those chefs in the market, right? So I think this is an opportunity from the student perspective.
Very
While
important.
yeah, while there's one more thought I wanted to share, right? अगर शायद मैं भी student होता, so it is okay to get these negative thoughts, क्योंकि मैं देखता कि शायद अभी इंडस्ट्री बहुत लो परफॉर्म कर रही है, बहुत 20-30% ऑक्यूपेंसी लेवल मेंटेन कर रही है, लेकिन मुझको I think the calls keep pouring in. Sorry, so मुझको as an opportunity ही इसको utilize करना है. ये negative thoughts को थोड़ा दूर रखना है, right? So this is my thought from the student perspective, from the opportunity perspective, right?
Very good. I think that's more important. Cheryl also joined. Cheryl, hi Cheryl. Cheryl is also here. Excellent. Sapna Gautam also joined. Very true. I think most of the person think it's important that we should skill up ourselves. हमें अपना skill develop करना है, communication skills पे ध्यान देना है, and बहुत important है कि इस time को हमें एक challenging time को लेके इसको opportunities में convert करना है.
Yeah.
Yeah,
True.
that's more important. Now, am I audible? I think Rishabh, is it clear?
Yeah, you're well audible. You're well audible.
Most important, most important. Now, see another question which I'm sure most of us thinking about: the future growth of hospitality students after completing their hotel and management and hotel and culinary management. आपको क्या लगता है कि आगे क्या स्कोप है? आगे बच्चे अगर जाते हैं तो उनको क्या स्कोप मिलेगा?
देखिए, स्पेशली जो अभी बैच है, जो अभी ज्वाइन कर रहा है, बाय द टाइम दे विल पास आउट, आफ्टर 2 years, आफ्टर 3 years, जो डिग्री प्रोग्राम में, बाय द टाइम दे विल ग्रेजुएट, इट विल बी अ डिफरेंट सिनेरियो फॉर देम,
Yes.
By that time we all are hopeful कि पैंडेमिक काफी कंट्रोल होगा, ग्लोबल ट्रेड ऑन हो चुके होंगे, पीपल वुड बी ट्रेवलिंग, राइट? हम सभी को पता है हॉस्पिटैलिटी जो वर्टिकल है, चाहे स्पेशली जो किचन जो ट्रेड है, सर्विस जो ट्रेड है, I think we export the maximum people to the rest of the world, right? Especially, even in these challenging times, जैसे अभी last 6 months from October till March, hotels in India were doing very good,
Yes.
And they were able
Yes.
to, I won't say 100%, but they were able to reach to the 70% or 80% of the business levels before. उस टाइम पर भी इंडिया से जो टैलेंट था वो मालदीव्स गया, वो मिडिल ईस्ट गया, इन मार्केट्स में वापस अपना करियर को रीस्टार्ट किया. तो जब ये 6 months की पॉकेट में भी हम इंटरनेशनल करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज देख सकते हैं, आई थिंक जो नया बैच है उसको भी होपफुल रहना है. By the time they will pass out, the doors will be open, for you. And especially, I think your institute, Rahul, I think you are collaborating already with
Yes.
The
Top
HTMI
hospital.
Switzerland, right?
Yes. Of course, we are tied up with one of the finest hospitality and culinary schools, and sure, my participants all they are listening. MIHM is tied up with HTMI Switzerland, which is the 13th best hospitality school in the world, and they can travel to Singapore, Switzerland, Australia, Spain, and Italy with Castelmonte Institute, and of course, with a lot of growth is there in this. And Sapna Gautam and KV Sidhu saying, sir, what about placements? So I think you are the right person to answer this.
Yeah. So I think the batch which is graduating in the next couple of years, for them opportunities will be available. We all are hopeful for it, and I do understand that the batch which passed out last year, they had a real tough time. But if you see it as an opportunity, काफी लोगों ने अपने स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट कर दिए, क्लाउड किचन स्टार्ट कर दिए हैं,
Yes.
और अच्छा कर रहे हैं अपने फील्ड में. Placements, definitely, my heart sympathizes with them, क्योंकि last year there were really very limited placements from the campuses. But we all have to be hopeful and hope with a strategy, which means that if I'm taking admission now, by the time I will pass out, there would be opportunities available within India as well as outside India. और अगर मुझको internship का opportunity मिलता है किसी international market में, I think this is the time to explore such kind of international internship opportunities also.
Yes, very important. And I'm sure, जैसे आपने बताया ऋषभ जी, I have seen even my students also, जो जॉब के साथ उन्होंने अपना खुद का बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर दिया. They started their own cloud kitchens, they started their own restaurants, and they are doing excellent. बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं वो लोग. और यही टाइम है. आई थिंक कोविड हैज टॉट अस वन थिंग, कि कुछ नया करने का सोचिए, rather than with that same old thought books. हम लोग सोचते हैं, हम लोग पुराने तरीके से चलते हैं, कुछ नया तरीके से चलेंगे, that is better.
Yeah, even very recently, McKinsey, जो बड़ा famous publishing company भी है और अपने research analytics share करते हैं. So उन्होंने भी यही बताया कि this is the age or this is the era of skill transformation.
Yes.
You have to transform your skills. You cannot say that I will only be doing this ABC job. मैं हमेशा यही बोलता हूँ कि to be successful in our industry, in hospitality, you should have two capabilities. One is you should be geographically mobile, and the second, you should be functionally mobile.
Yes.
अगर मुझे पहला जॉब कोचीन में मिलता है तो शायद मैं कोचीन भी जाऊंगा, और अगला जॉब मुझको कैलकाटा मिलता है तो मैं उस अपॉर्चुनिटी को भी ग्रैब करूंगा. So I won't live in the comfort कि नहीं, मेरे पेरेंट्स आर इन दिस पार्ट ऑफ द सिटी, आई हैव टू बी देयर. आई थिंक हमें स्टार्टिंग फेज ऑफ करियर में ये बाउंड्रीज को ब्रेक करना बहुत जरूरी है.
बिल्कुल, बहुत जरूरी है, बहुत जरूरी है.
और दूसरा है फंक्शनल मोबिलिटी. हो सकता है कि आई माइट स्टार्ट माय करियर इन द इंडियन किचन and I've gained my expertise in Indian kitchen. But अगर मुझे लग रहा है future market trend is about fusion, using the best of Indian and the best of continental and making a fusion out of it. I think I should be ready for that kind of an adaptability, right?
Very important. Yes.
This is within the department, but yeah, there are people that have started their career in different department and now growing up in a different department. Depend upon the people's passion and their interest.
Very important. Chef Ankit is saying he's very shy of facing the camera and communicating in the camera. What all tips you want to give it to him? He's saying even in online classes or anywhere, he feel very shy. So what are the tips you want to give it to him?
I think let's break it as a step-by-step process. So Pankaj Chef, पहले ये कर सकते हैं कि अपना खुद का वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करेंगे 30 सेकंड का या 1 मिनट का. पहले अगर अगर मेरे पास ट्राइपॉड है या अरेंज कर सकता हूँ तो बहुत अच्छा है, अगर नहीं भी कर सकता हूँ तो मैं अपना कैमरे में फ्रंट कैमरा ऑन करके आई कैन पुट इट इनटू रिकॉर्डिंग एंड सी व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग। हो सकता है शुरू में हम अपनी गलतियां ही पकड़े, राइट? कई बार हमें खुद ही अपने अपने वीडियो देख के हंसी आती है,
हंसी
लेकिन
आती है।
आप वैसे ही कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड कर सकते हैं। और मेरा पर्सनल मानना यह है कि इट इज नॉट अबाउट ब्यूटीफुल इंग्लिश और फ्लॉलेस सिलेक्शन ऑफ वर्ड्स। अगर आप हिंदी में भी कॉन्फिडेंट हैं तो आप एक बहुत अच्छा वीडियो बना सकते हैं, बट यू शुड बी
Absolutely.
ट्रू टू योर true to the core, in terms of what you wish to present, right?
Yes, yes, very much important. Now, the another question which I'm sure most of the students also looking for, what are the basic skills required to be perfect hotelier? What do you think कि क्या जरूरी है हमें एक perfect hotelier बनने के लिए?
I think I will answer basis of my experience, things that have really helped me grow in hospitality. Uh, देखिए, सबसे important है communication. It is very, very important to have a very networked, kind of an environment where आपका जो core team है उसको सारी चीजें पता है, जो आपको पता है। और दूसरा, how is your communication with the main team, with the leadership team? This you will get to know once you grow up the ladder. बट मेरा मानना यह है कि अगर मेरे को कोई चीज इन्फॉर्म की गई है होटल के बारे में, होटल के इवेंट के बारे में, होटल की फ्यूचर ऑपरेशंस के बारे में, मेरा जो कोर टीम है मैं उसके साथ शेयर करूंगा, जिससे कि वो भी अपने स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर्स फॉलो करेंगे और उसको सक्सेसफुल बनाएंगे। कम्युनिकेशन के साथ साथ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है अपना टीम एंगेजमेंट। टू एंगेज योर टीम, इट इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट training them or briefing them, but also to engage them, to have that kind of a 360-degree relationship with your team, जिससे कि आपके टीम भी आपसे खुल के बात कर सके, आपको बता सके कि सर this is what I will do to make this event a success, but this is what I need from you, to grow up in my personal career. So have that kind of an open environment, or that kind of a team engagement that really help, right? Innovation is one thing which will always take you up the game. मैं कुछ एग्जाम्पल शेयर करूंगा आप लोगों के साथ। जैसे हम सभी को पता है hotels in the last 1 year have seen the worst of occupancy levels, worst of things. But there are hotels, I have been fortunate to work with such kind of hotels जिन्होंने काफी innovative ideas start किए. Like Crown Plaza Greater Noida has collaborated with three different bakery shops in the Noida vicinity. Yes. So we provide pastry items to from the 5-star kitchen to these standalone pastries, and they're also the guest satisfaction has improved, the quality has improved. So you have to be innovative, constantly think about new things even in these disturbing times, right? So I think innovation will always be the key. Communication will surely play a big role, and team engagement. और मेरा सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट मानना ये है कि कम्युनिकेशन सिर्फ अंग्रेजी ही नहीं है, it's not about that verbal communication. Definitely it creates a bigger impression, but having that very crystal clear communication with the team surely helps you. Right.
Very important. And in fact, I would add on, attitude is also very much important. You should be positive with your attitude. बहुत important है। कभी इस सिचुएशन में घबराना नहीं है, कभी भी ये नहीं लगना कि ऐसा क्या होगा, क्या कल का होगा। बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है, जो हो रहा है अच्छा हो रहा है, जो होगा अच्छे के लिए ही होगा।
Yeah, true. I think to add, Rahul, attitude, ये point बहुत आपने important point share किया है। आजकल का जो नया जनरेशन है, मैंने देखा है कि they keep their resignation on their sleeves, कि किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया तो ये लीजिए सर रेजिग्नेशन, मुझे नहीं करना है यहाँ पे, राइट? आई थिंक अगर एटीट्यूड में थोड़ा सा सहनशीलता भी हमें लानी पड़ेगी। ये इंडस्ट्री स्टार्टिंग में काफी टफ है, हम सभी लोगों ने X नंबर ऑफ आवर्स काम किया है, Y नंबर ऑफ पीपल के साथ काम किया है। सो उनकी जो वेराइटी है वो भी हमारे कैरेक्टर को बिल्ड करती है। शुरू में हमें टफ लगता था कि इतने घंटे काम करना पड़ रहा है और इतना ज्यादा काम करना पड़ रहा है, लेकिन बाद में हम देखते हैं कि हमने इतने बड़े बड़े इवेंट्स को सक्सेसफुल बनाया है, 2000 लोगों को सर्व किया, 5000 लोगों के लिए स्पेशल लंच डिनर प्रिपेयर किया, अप्रिसिएशन मिला प्रेसिडेंट से, प्राइम मिनिस्टर से. सो ये सब चीजें हैं जो हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री का हिस्सा हमेशा से रही हैं और आगे भी रहेंगी. Right?
Very important. Yeah. We have new journeys also. Mosaic Greater Noida is also, yes, the Mosaic is also hi Mosaic.
Super. So I think this must be the team from the hotel.
Yes, yes. We have the team from the hotel also. Now, another the point which I'd like to discuss with you. What do you think the impact of hospitality operations post pandemic? आपको क्या लगता है कि कैसा operations होगा, क्या changes होंगे हमारे operations में?
I would say let's start during pandemic. Even during pandemic, you would see hotels have already collaborated with as a support partner to hospital companies.
Yes.
जैसा आपको पता है, Crown Plaza, two of my Crown Plaza, one in New Delhi Okhla and the other one in New Delhi Rohini, they have collaborated with Apollo Hospital and Fortis Hospital to provide support for isolation rooms, right? So this is during pandemic. So even during pandemic, a lot of our hotels are preparing meals and serving to the people as a part of CSR activity.
Yes.
So this is, hospitality is a part of our DNA. एक बार हम hospitality industry में आ गए, so these kind of, areas or initiative to make a difference becomes a part of your culture, right?
Yeah.
Now talking about post pandemic, I would say हम लोगों ने season 1 से क्या सीखा, बिकॉज सीजन 1 हमने ऑलरेडी देख लिया. सीजन 2 जो है वो बहुत ही टफ जा रहा है हम सभी के लिए. सो कुछ चीजें हैं जहां काफी चेंजेस हुए हैं, जैसे एडॉप्शन ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी काफी बड़ा है. जैसे हम लोग अभी इंस्टा लाइव पे इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, हम लोग होटल में मॉर्निंग मीटिंग भी लास्ट 1.5 मंथ से ऑन टीम्स कर रहे हैं, जिससे कि कम से कम कांटेक्ट हो, राइट? इवन जो मीटिंग्स होती हैं होटल्स में वो काफी हाइब्रिड फॉर्मेट में आ रही हैं. पहले जो बड़े बड़े इवेंट्स होते थे जिसको हम लोग माइस बोलते थे, मीटिंग्स, इंसेंटिव्स, कन्वेंशन एंड एग्जीबिशन, वो शुरू हुए थे, लेकिन अभी हाइब्रिड कल्चर पे शुरू हुए हैं कि काफी कुछ अटेंडीज जो हैं वो लाइव आ रखे हैं, होटल का हिस्सा हैं. कुछ अटेंडीज हमें वर्चुअली अटेंड कर रहे हैं फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. सो ये फ्रॉम द गेस्ट पर्सपेक्टिव दोज काइंड ऑफ चेंजेस हैव कम. इवन फ्रॉम द एम्प्लॉय पर्सपेक्टिव काफी चेंजेस हुए हैं. जैसे आपका बिल्कुल कॉन्टैक्टलेस, आप हमारे एम्प्लॉयज का चेक इन भी कॉन्टैक्टलेस हुआ है थ्रू द रेटिना कॉम्बिनेशन एनालिसिस. you checked in inside the hotel. हर जगह सैनिटाइजेशन स्टैंड्स बनाए गए हैं. फूड के लिए भी सैनिटाइजेशन होता है पहले. यूज ऑफ पीपीई किट्स काफी बड़ा है होटल्स में. सो मैं ऑनेस्टली आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि होटल के जो प्रोटोकॉल्स हैं, जो स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर्स हैं, वो दे आर एट पार विद द बेस्ट ऑफ द हॉस्पिटल कंपनीज इन द वर्ल्ड, राइट? हमारी जो पेरेंट कंपनी है इंटरकॉन्टिनेंटल होटल्स ग्रुप, उन्होंने एक प्रोग्राम लॉन्च किया था लास्ट ईयर कॉल्ड कल्चर ऑफ क्लीन. सो ये मैंडेटरी बनाया गया है सभी के लिए टू अंडरगो दैट सेशन once in 6 months. ट्रेनिंग्स पे काफी फोकस हुआ है, सारी ई लर्निंग्स, ई सेशंस हो रहे हैं. सो काफी चीजें चेंजेस हो रहे हैं हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री में. एंड आई फोरसी इवन पोस्ट पैंडेमिक ये कंट्रोल, ये सेफ्टी, ये हाइजीन फीचर काफी ज्यादा रहेगा आने वाले टाइम पे.
यस. एक क्वेश्चन आया ऋषभ, फॉर थ्योरी इट्स ओके, अगर हम प्रैक्टिकल ऑनलाइन क्लास लेते हैं तो वो उस पे डज इट इफेक्ट्स आवर आईटी एंड जॉब?
This is a very valid question. Theory obviously it's easy, online हम सब लोग attend करते हैं. Practical में my request now to the partners which are especially to the one which are currently the faculty members or the hospitality colleges, if we are doing practicals online, I would request do a more careful examination of the final dish which is presented and prepared by the student. While obviously student have to put a hand on their heart कि ये चीज मैंने बनाई है, अच्छी है बुरी है, प्रोफेसर आप उसको असेस करो, राइट? क्योंकि मुझे पता है इस समय ज्यादातर कॉलेजेस में फिजिकल क्लासेस स्टार्ट नहीं हुए हैं, लेकिन मुझे प्रैक्टिकल भी काम करना है, राइट? अपनी स्किल को बिल्डअप करना है. सो I think ask for an honest feedback from your professor, and even professor have to give that extra time to do a careful assessment of the dish. I know he can't taste the dish, which is practically not possible, but he can obviously see the presentation part of it. Just to share with you, there were two students from one of the hotel management colleges from Mumbai. They prepared a dish, online. And very recently, there was a competition by the Tata Institute of Social Sciences. So, उन्होंने वो video ही मांगा था. And the way these kids have presented that dish through that video, पूरा उन्होंने story बनाया है. मैं राहुल आपके साथ share करूँगा वो link.
बिल्कुल, I'm sure.
वो दो dishes हैं.
Love to.
So even despite being at home for the last 1 year, these kids have presented food with a story. So, if I'm really passionate about food, I can still learn through online skills. Definitely, this online is a kind of a pause. It cannot be forever, right? Ultimately, I will go back to the institute. Professor, I will go back to the live classes. But that will take a little bit of time, right?
Yes. I'm sure वो ये बादल है छट जाएंगे ये.
True. We all have to be hopeful, hope
yes.
with action, right?
Yes. The last and not the least, tips for hospitality and culinary aspirants. उनको क्या करना चाहिए अपनी जिंदगी अगर यही है आगे बढ़ने के लिए वो क्या important है उनके लिए?
I think I'll start with a generic tip first, and they'll move to hospitality and then move to culinary, right? The generic tip for everyone, whether you are in hospitality or you are in any other industry, to stay hopeful, stay positive, and refrain from negative news as much as possible. Right?
Yes.
May is also the month of mental wellness. हम लोग United Nations हमें बताता है कि it is okay not to be okay. ये जो month है, ये जो time चल रहा है इंडिया में, it is okay not to be okay. And it is absolutely okay to ask for help. जहां आपको लग रहा है आपको कहीं help चाहिए, even industry में हैं आप या students हैं, बेझिझक होके आप बात कीजिए अपने professor से, अपने manager से. समझिए कि if I'm not feeling okay, there must be a reason behind it, right? Yes. So have that kind of a cohesion, that kind of an equation with the person. The other tips coming back to hospitality is all about learning, innovating the modern trends, right? See, if you are at a senior position or at a mid-level, management, read, how the hospitality industries are bouncing back in markets in Europe, in markets already in China. These kinds of news will give you positivity also and will show you direction how these countries are, coming back. Vaccination is told to be one of the biggest reasons, where people have started traveling. Like UK have started an improvement. Yesterday I was reading in the BBC, there were 0 deaths in UK after a very long time. I'm sure that kind of news will come in India also. Maybe after 3 months, maybe after 6 months. But we have to be hopeful and we have to be positive about, things. Learning new trends is a necessity. हो सकता है कि मैं शायद इंडिया में किचन का काम सीख रहा हूँ, culinary skill सीख रहा हूँ, but now the world is in your hand. You can always go to the best of the universities. जैसा आपने बताया, you have a tie-up with STMI Switzerland, right? Yes. I can go to their page also. I can ask you for resources. Sir, can you share those links, their videos? What are the new trends coming up in the new market? क्योंकि आप अगर hospitality industry में हैं, you are a global citizen. You are not thinking of starting and ending your career in this part of the world or only in this place, right? जैसा आपने बताया कि there are markets like Singapore, there are markets like Spain, there are markets like Italy, which have already starting doing 80%, 90% of the business what they were doing initially. And I am preparing for the global market. So keep that thought in the mind. Learn new trends, improve your social skills, improve your communication skills, improve your digital skills. They will always take you up, up the next person, because competition अब काफी ज़्यादा है,
Very important. I think excellent thought, Mr. Rishabh. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके, and I'm happy. I'm sure most of the students from Bathinda also are here and from Greater Noida and Delhi. Thanks to Instagram to connect all of us. And yeah, of course, anyone has any question with Mr. Tandon, you can write down in the box, and of course we can ask with Mr. Tandon. Anyone,
Yeah,
any query?
and even if any one of you have any question, you can approach me through
Yes.
Facebook, through Instagram. You can write your question. I can help to my level best that I can.
Superb, superb. I think that's a great help for everyone. Anyone has any doubt? Anyone like to ask any question? So that we can wrap up the session for the day. All right. I think most of them have already shared, and Chef Ankit already shared with you. So, well, thank you so much, Mr. Tandon, sharing time for us. And just to share with you, MIHM is committed to develop the overall standards of the student. From we always discuss about it. केवल हम उनको technical knowledge नहीं, but soft skills important, and how they grow in the market. That's more important.
So Rahul, sorry if I may ask one question,
Yes.
to you. How do you see, how do a hospitality dean or a CEO see the future of education, the future of hospitality in the next couple of years?
Well,
Because I am
very
seeing,
much.
I am seeing it from the industry perspective. I want from the education, from the learning and development perspective.
Well, I think it's an excellent question, and I'm sure most of them would like the answer of it. See, it's very much important that we should be optimistic, whatever the situation we have, and I feel every day is a learning day. Either we are here, or maybe in another 10 days or 5 days, or maybe a month or so also. There are a lot of opportunities coming up, not only in India, internationally also. As you said, market is open. Swiss market is open, Spain, Italy, and of course they all are open now. So what I feel, the education sector will grow for sure. And it's all about the practical knowledge which we are dealing it now. Our institute is tied up. We are attached with one of the 5-star hotel of Bathinda, and we are focused only on practical training. And that's why education system will grow, because of more practical knowledge. And I'm sure this is the key for success for the students also.
Yeah. So obviously, practical experience will always remain in demand in fashion, right? For sure.
Yes. Thank you so much, Mr. Tandon. Thank you so much, all the participants who join in. And of course, you can follow MIHM Bathinda page, and Mr. Rishabh, Reach_Rishabh. Am I correct? If I'm,
Yeah, I think that's the idea, but they can shoot the question to your page also, and I can help you out.
Excellent. So we have Mr. Tandon, who's our advisory board member also. He can help you anytime, anywhere, of course, through social media. He's there to assist you. Thank you so much, Mr. Tandon, and thank you so much, all of you. Have a great day. And
Thank you, everyone.
Stay
Thanks.
safe. Take
Thanks.
care.
Bye-bye.
Bye.